Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in the Kevin Quarry for the JCB press launch, where the big news is Leica Geosystems factory fitted machine control. Jack here, you've been demonstrating it all day.
Yeah.
You as an operator demonstrator here for JCB, obviously you've got to know the system now that it's installed in this brand new machine.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about how you've got to know it and the impact it's had on you as an operator.
So here at JCB we've had a really good opportunity where we've had Leica Systems themselves actually give us the training firsthand. So we've had to be shown in depth how the whole system works and everything, and get really in depth with the whole design behind it as well, so the other programs that are involved with it. But our benefit mostly is being able to show the customers the added value of having the system fitted, what it can do to help their business and help the operators as well. It's not just the guys that are behind the desks who are trying to save the money or save the time. It's the operators that are on the ground. They want to get home early, they want to get the job done faster. With this system fitted, it helps everybody all the way around the system.
So what's been the feedback when you've shown fellow operators and customers and buyers of equipment?
Really good across the board. So whether it's just the operators or the engineers, they're the two key parts that play with this system, and they're absolutely really happy about it. It helps the operators getting that final finish, not jumping out, making sure what they've done is right. But they're also, with the engineers, not having to walk around with the staff anymore, getting right close to the operators. They're not getting up close anymore, they're not putting themselves in danger of getting hit anymore. So to both of them, they're really happy, and they think it's a really good stride forward now as well.
And of course, folks, it's now factory fitted. So factory fitted means that all the cabling's done in the factory. It means that JCB have looked at how each machine should be put together. They've got sensors on, but not just sensors with sensor guards as well, you know, for the job site. And also the way in which they've put the mushrooms, as I call them, at the back of the machine, that's slightly different as well. So as an operator that's got to take them on and off, it's beneficial.
Yes, we've worked everything in the operator's best interest as well. So even if it's regards to taking them off, they're designed in such a way now where you haven't got to go leaning over things, you haven't got to put yourself at risk of falling off. They're easy to access, easy to take off, and easy to reinstall in the morning as well.
Fantastic. So it's great to have seen this demonstrated. Thanks very much for your time today. And I've got to move on, folks, because there's a whole heap of customers coming to see just this right now this afternoon. So great to meet you. Thanks again.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you.